Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I hope you can hear me. I was gonna do a hike when I first got ready today, and then I started getting ready in like athletic attire, and I changed my mind on the drive here that I was gonna run instead. So we're doing a little trail running today. We are wearing our new buff, our Gooder sunglasses as usual, our new socks. Let's see, our new socks. We'll see how this goes. We're not wearing my normal running shoes. We're wearing my Brooks Cascadias, which I guess are trail running shoes, but I normally use them for hiking. So I will catch up with y'all in a bit. I'm gonna get out running. All right, so taking a little walk break. I haven't run a lot lately, so we be walking next to the water, which is really nice. But I don't know if y'all saw, I don't know if I included it. If not, I'll include it now. But I was trying to get a scene for my opening shot of me running. And this massive grasshopper starts hopping around near me. Oh my God, I freaked out. I'm still afraid of bugs. I don't get it. I'm enjoying this trail running, but it is definitely way harder than running on concrete. More muscle activation. Probably better for my joints though. But you know, whatever. Loving my Gooders as always. The buff was sliding around a little bit earlier, but now I think it's pretty good. So we shall see. I'll keep y'all posted on how this run goes. Let's see, 1.29 in. I'm not sure how far I'm going to go today. Maybe 2.5, 3 miles, somewhere around there. I don't know. It's a different video, kind of combining my two loves, hiking and running. Maybe I should be a trail runner. You never know. You never know. Alrighty, so taking a little break. Actually, I should pause my watch. Alright, watch paused. So we're out on like one of the platform things that they have here on this trail. They have a little shade thing right there. But honestly, it's like pretty dry out here. And so I don't know what's crawling and walking around in there. Normally it's like filled with water out here. But like, I can literally see the mud. so I didn't want to sit over there just in case. I'm so afraid of bugs and animals, it's not even funny. But at least I'm still getting out here and doing it, even though I'm afraid. Facing fears again. So I wanted to touch on the socks. Socks I think will be perfect for the Foothills Trail. They are just like thin enough to where it won't really be that big of an issue to have long socks, you know. Buff, I also think I'm going to take on the Foothills Trail. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier or not, but I don't think that it would be good or appropriate for like a February or a March AT start. But a summer Foothills, I think this is perfect. It's like half the size of a regular Buff and like half as thin. Like it's very thin, which is good because that's what I want for a summer Buff. So that's good. I'm also rocking the Nathan running water hydration vest thing. Haven't worn this since the marathon, so it feels a little weird, but I'm proud of myself, doing good with my training. Oh, also, if you want to see my weekly training updates, join my members page because I'm doing weekly AT training videos to get back in shape to hike the AT and the Foothills Trail, obviously. All right, let's keep running.